kindergartners, and welcome to our missing addend practice video. Would you please take out your deck of cards, your finding that suit. If you have a full deck of cards, then finding the one suit. I already shuffled mine up, but I have ace through 10. So I have ace, guess I didn't shuffle very well. Ace, 2, 3, 4. Where's my 5? Make sure I have everything. 7, 8. There's my 5. It's hidden behind my 6. There we go. Okay. Now I have my full suit of hearts. And I have ace all the way through 10. So getting out one suit from your deck, or if you already have one out, great. Just making sure, double checking you have ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You should have 10 cards in total. Okay, so these are some of the tools we will be using today. Also needing our numeral writing tool, our missing addend writing tool, so for the underline, and our purple for our purple math symbol, marker or crayon, your choice. So those are the 3 writing tools we'll need. And then I have my blank piece of paper and my whiteboard. I have both just to help me with my thinking. You could have 2. Last week I did 2 blank pieces of paper. I'm just going to keep using my whiteboard so I can keep erasing. And we'll be ready to go. So finding those and the tool, since I'm writing on my whiteboard, I need a whiteboard marker. So I have that ready. And if you would like, I'm going to be using doing our dots that we've been doing the last on Tuesday and then the week before that. But if doing pocket problems helps your thinking, seeing that visually in front of you, or using the hands, there's many different strategies that can work. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is the same idea as we were doing on Tuesday with our dice. We rolled 2 dice, added them together, and that was our missing addend. So we kind of had 2 math problems in one, or math number sentences. We had, if I rolled 4 and one more, 4, 5 dots. I had to first do that addition number sentence, and then I needed to add that to my missing addend number sentence. Same thing today. We are going to be shuffling up our 10 cards. Shuffling, shuffling, shuffling. And then we are going to be pulling out 2 random ones. I have 7 and 10. Oh, so 10 and 7 more is 10. 17. 10 and 7 more is 17. That's more than 15. Our sum today is not going to be 15. It's not going to be 10. It's going to be 20. So last week we did 10 and 15. This week we're doing 15 and 20. I know. We're ready for it. I know we are. So taking out your supplies, getting ready. I have my blank piece of paper. I'm going to be starting my first number sentence with the sum first. So I know 20 is my total. So I'm going to write 20. Then I need my purple math marker or crayon. 20 equals, and then we need to figure out what our addend that we know is. So 20 equals, I'm going to randomly, I have my cards out, and you can do this with me, same as on Tuesday. You can do this with me where you watch the first 2 with me, do it with me, and then you do it yourself. Or you can do it on your own with me and do your own numbers. Your choice, whatever works best for your thinking. Okay, I am going to randomly choose this card, okay? 4 is my first number. So 4 plus 3. Okay. 4 plus 3. I can see my hearts in the box here. I have 1, 2, 3 hearts. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. 4. So counting all together, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counting up, I had 7. Right. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We could count up or we can count the total. 7. Okay, so my addend that I know, writing with my black marker, I'm going to be writing the addend 7 because we did 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7, and then purple math symbol plus, and then our red for our missing addend. Okay, and then next, what's the other way we can write, I'll keep this open. What's the other way we could write our number sentence? Right, starting with the addend that we know first, which is 7. 7, purple math symbol, what is it? Plus 7 plus missing addend, purple math symbol, equals, our sum is 20, right? 20. There you go. I'm gonna do the dots method just because it's easiest to see if I showed you my whiteboard this way. But again, pocket problem, you can do it with the hands, whatever is best. So with the dots, I need to start with the addend that I know. The addend that I know is 7. You got it. So starting with 7. Okay. And then the sum that I know is 20, right? I'm going to make smaller dots because there is going to be a lot of dots to do. Okay, so counting up from 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 inside of my 20. Okay, double checking. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice. Okay, so let's double check, or let's count up our dots and find out how many dots we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's double check. Oops. Let's double check and see if 13 and 7 more is 20. 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we've double checked, so that means 20 equals 7 and 13 more. Look at us. Nice work, everyone. 7. And how many more equals 20? 13. Look at you. Nice work. Okay. We're already ready for the next one. Line underneath. Okay. I'm going to mix around my cards again. The reason that I'm doing 20 is because if you got a 10 card and a 9 card, that would be 10 and 9 more. That could be 19. So we're doing 20 as the total because you could have a 10 and a 9. And then you'd have to think 20 minus 19 equals. Let's see what we get. Okay, I'm shuffling my cards. Shuffling. Okay. Spreading them out. The first one is 4 again. Hopefully not another 3. Next one is 7. Okay. Okay. 4 plus 7. Keep double checking my dots. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. Okay, counting them all together. Let's start at 7 and count up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 and 4 equals 11. 7 and 4 more is 11. Okay, so writing the addend that I know first, we just counted 7 and 4 more is 11. Purple math symbol, equal sign? No, you got it. Plus, we don't know. 11 plus what? Underline. 11 plus something, purple math symbol, equals 20. So that means the next way, or the other way that we can write our number sentence is 20 first. Yup. Purple math symbol. Minus sign. Purple exclamation point. No, I'm just kidding. Purple equal sign. Come on, Miss Sorensen. 20 equals, what's our add-in that we know? 7, or I was looking up here, 7. The add-in that we know is 11. Purple, got it, purple plus. Purple plus, those both start with a P. Oh wait, we don't know the next number. Underline. Okay, the other way that we could write this, thinking about subtraction, we did this on Tuesday. When we think about subtraction, our bigger number is going first. Our total is 20. So altogether we have 20 hearts. 20 hearts. So 20 goes first. And then our purple math symbol, if we're doing subtraction, minus 20 minus, what's the add-in that we know that is now becoming our subtrahend, because 20 is our minuend. The add-in that we know is 11, right? And that's now our subtrahend. Purple math symbol equals, yes. And then the sum, or the difference that we do not know. Beep. There we go. We're ready to solve. Okay, I'm going to erase up here. I have my whiteboard marker. The addend that I know is 11. Nice. 11. The sum that I know is 20. See, you're starting to get the pattern. 11 and 20. Okay, so let's make our dots. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, dot, 20 in the 20. Okay, let's double check our dots. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we did the correct amount of dots. Let's count our dots now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Double check going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We did it. We have double checked and our answers were the same. So 11 plus what equals 20? 9. You got it. So that means 20 equals 11 and how many more? 9. Look at you go. So if we were to look at our subtraction problem, we have 20 minus 11. So think if we had 20 hearts in our pocket, we took out 11, how many would be left over in our pocket? 9. You got it. Boop. Nice work. I'm going to put a line underneath. And now I would like you to do 2 more on your own. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, pull out 3 numbers and increase your sum. You could increase your sum to 30 and pull out 3 numbers. You could keep putting your cards back in. Say if you increased your sum to 30 and you pulled let me see if I can find it. You pulled a 10, you put it back in, you pulled a 10, so 10 and 10 more is 20. Counting my 10s, 10, 20. Now you put it back in, you pulled another 10, 10, 20, 30. You could do it that way. There's different ways that you can make this more challenging if you would like. Okay, but for now, make sure to get those 2 good practice, those 2 solid practices, and then if you would like to make it more challenging, try a few. Okay, everyone, nice work, and I will see you in just a sec for some at standard videos and some challenge videos. Bye, everyone.